Hello students, today we will discuss the revision exercise of chapter number 5, differentiation. In the revision exercise, the sum first is 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole square, power 9. In this we are find the derivative, that's dy upon dx. For this, first we differentiate with respect to x. So first we apply power rule. For power rule, 9 is in front and this is 8 into derivative of inside term plus 5. So this is 9, 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 8. Differentiation of this is 6x minus 9. In question number second, y is equal to sin cube x plus cos whole power 6. When we differentiate this with respect to x, that's dy upon dx. Differentiation of this is sin square x into derivative of sin x plus 6 cos 5x into derivative of cos x. So this is 3 sin square x. Differentiation of sin is cos, 6 cos 5x. Differentiation of cos is means sin. In third question, the statement is y is equal to 5x whole power 3 cos 2x. In this question, there is variable, power variable. So first we take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. So this is log y. This is 3 cos 2x into log 5x. When we differentiate this is 1 upon y, dy upon dx. Here we use product rule. Cos 2x, differentiation of this is 1 by 5x and differentiation of this is 5. So this is log cos 5x. Differentiation of cos is meant sin 2x and differentiation of angle is 2. This cancel out. So dy upon dx equals to 3. Value of y is 3 cos 2x and this is 1 by x cos 2x minus 2 sin 2x into log cos of 5x. This is the derivative of this question. In fourth part, y is equal to sin inverse x root x. X root x. This is power 1, this is half. So this is 3 upon 2. When we differentiate this, derivative of sin inverse is 1 minus x whole square into derivative of x power 3 upon 2. This is x cube. Here we use power. This is the derivative of this question. In the next question, question number 5, the statement is, in 5th question, the statement is y is equal to cos inverse x upon 2 under root 2x plus 7. Here we take first log. So this is log m upon n. This is log m upon n. Here we use formula log m mass of log n. This is log 2x plus 7 half. So this is log cos inverse x upon 2. Here we use the identity of log and differentiate this with respect to x. So this is 1 upon y dy upon dx. Differentiation of this is cos inverse x upon 2 into derivative of cos inverse is 1 minus x whole square. Differentiation of angle is half. So this is 2x plus 7. When we multiply y, so value y is cos inverse x upon 2 under root 2x plus 7. Here this is minus 1 upon 2 cos inverse x upon 2 under root x square by 4 minus 1 upon 2 2x plus 7. This is the differentiation of this question. In the next question, question number 6, the statement is, in 6th question, the statement is y is equal to, this is important one, cot inverse 1 plus sin x plus 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x minus 1 minus sin x. Here in this question we use 1 plus sin x is equal to value of 1 is cos square x upon 2 plus sin square x upon 2 and sin x is 2 sin x upon 2 cos x upon 2. This is the identity of a plus b whole square. So this is a plus b whole square. This will cancel out. So this is cos x upon 2 plus sin x upon 2. In the similar way, value of 1 minus sin x is cos x upon 2 minus sin x upon 2. When we put the value here, this is cot inverse. So this is cos x upon 2 plus sin x upon 2 plus cos x upon 2 minus sin x upon 2 upon cos x upon 2 plus sin x upon 2 minus cos x upon 2 plus sin x upon 2. This cancel out. This is also cancel out. So this is cot inverse 2 cos x upon 2 2 sin x upon 2. This cancel out. So this becomes y is equal to cot inverse cot x by 2. This cancel out. So differentiation of x upon 2 is 1 by 2. This is the answer of this question. In question number 7, the statement is y is equal to log x whole power log x. Here we take first log on both sides. When we take log on both sides, this is, and take log x in front. So this is log into log x. When we differentiate this with respect to x, differentiation of log y is 1 upon y into dy upon dx. Here we use product rule. It's 1 by x. So plus log into log x. Differentiation of log is 1 upon x. This cancel out. So value of y is log x power log x. This is 1 by x plus 1 upon x log into log x. This is the derivative of this question.